Alright, so I'm going to be showing how to open up and disassemble this Synology. This is a disk station model DS218J. Alright, so this thing was just beeping nonstop and wasn't working. So what we found out, well actually it was working, but what we found out was it's a bad hard drive. I had to go in, find out what the IP address of this was, and then log in. If you don't know how to do that, I think you need the manual to find it. It was kind of tricky to do it. I had to go into the network settings. Anyways, we're using a PH2 screwdriver. We're going to undo that, and we're going to undo this. Okay. Also, you want to check what serial number of the drive is that you're replacing. Normally, you won't have this on top, but my customer stuck that on there. So, yeah. Anyways, after you remove those two screws, we can actually slide this out this way. Okay. You can see you separate the two layers, so it slides apart. And then we can lift the other side off. I forget which side's which. Okay, this side has this thing, is they just used some adhesive and stuck it on there, so I had to scrape that off, but there we go. Okay, so you slide the two apart, and here you can see the hard drives inside. It did show the serial numbers. Oh, I probably should have gotten another NAS hard drive. We got a green one, but anyways, let's go ahead and pull up that in and see how that works. So we're gonna undo the screws here. We cleaned it out. It was a lot dustier. It's still a bit dusty in here. Okay. But anyways, let's go ahead and pull the two screws out of there. And as you can see, it's pretty easy to access these drives. Okay, so if you need to replace it, it's just the two screws to open the cover and then 4 screws holding the drive in place. At least I think that's all there is. Okay, so we're going to get these screws out. There we go, we got the 4, and if it's like any other SATA drive mount, you just grab this and slide it. Oh, yeah, very easy. Okay, so, the serial number, yep, it was definitely the one with the C66A, I remember reading that. So, we only need to take that one out. You can see it has this mounting thing, that's how it keeps the drives from, like, smashing into each other. Anyways, we're going to get the replacement one, so we have this. We're just going to grab that, and we're just going to slide it back in, make sure the connectors line up, okay, and push that together. Push here, don't push here, you see how that flexes? Push there. Okay, and then we're just going to get the screws back in, and that's pretty much it. I can't believe I waited so long to make this video. I bought the drive a while ago. Hopefully the drive is okay, because sometimes when they ship stuff, it has issues, so yeah. Now it's beyond the return period. That's what I get for procrastinating so much. Anyways, we're going to rotate this back over, and then we're going to get the other screw back in. And that's pretty much it. That's how you replace the drives. Software-wise, I'm not sure if there's anything special that you need to do. It was beeping, and then I'm like, okay, let me power it off and then do that. I think you're supposed to power it off through the software and everything. So I don't know if there's anything special software-wise that you need to do, but this is how you replace the drive, okay? If you need to find out what to do software-wise, you're going to have to look up another video for that, because I don't have that. Anyways, let's go ahead and just get this back lined up. Okay, line it back up, and then you just slide it. You can see there's like little rails that guide it, and then just slide it back over and put back the 2 screws. And that's pretty much all there is to this. So simple to replace the hard drive. Again, software-wise, you need to go into the thing and make sure you find out which drive is bad and what you need to do. But what I think is going to happen is it detects that we removed the original drive, and it will know which way to go. I hope that's the case. But okay, this screw for some reason doesn't want to go in. Let me plop it back out. I mean, it goes in, but for some reason it's not like holding tight. I guess the plastic that it goes into is stripped out. So yeah, I don't think, let's try this screw and see if there's a difference. Nope. So I guess it's just like that. Alright, anyways, that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. I know I didn't show how to set up, configure the software to detect the new drive and everything, but hopefully you can find other manuals for that if you need it. Alright, again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.